Hi, my name is Jill Greenbaum, and I am here with,
Heather Martinez.
and we're going to talk with you about creating clarity with visual thinking. Since 2006, I've been involved in bringing visuals into my work, whether as a trainer, facilitator, or coach. And in 2018, I became the US trainer for Bikablo. And Bikablo is actually a drawing method or a visualization technique to create common understanding faster when people are in groups or meetings or doing strategic planning. Visualization in this sense means not just pictures, it's also text, containers, symbols, and graphic elements. And all of these come together in day one, where participants in this session will create their own posters relevant to their own work. Heather, what will they be doing in day two?
Day two is all about lettering, as it is a building block and the foundation for communication. My background as a visual practitioner is that I help build a team of visual practitioners, and I teach lettering to my colleagues around the world at in person workshops like this one and at international conferences. We have all had some kind of mark making tool in our hands since before we were making memories. So don't take that for granted. Learn the difference in types of marker nibs to gain command over the tools used when leading teams to make the marks that you intend. We will be improving your handwriting and building confidence to serve you as you lead from the front of the room. And we look forward to exploring visual thinking with you.